Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best FreeSync monitors in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the prices and more information about these monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Acer XG270HU. The Acer XG270HU would be a really good option if you want to upgrade your gaming arsenal because this monitor has a FreeSync support and a refresh rate of 144Hz. From a design perspective, this model features a glossy black cabinet with a metallic copper trim accent and 6 buttons located on the right which can be used for powering up the monitor and switching through menus. The X-shaped stand is sturdy but flexible, so you can make tilt adjustments from -5 to 15 degrees, but unfortunately it doesn't offer any height, swivel or pivot adjustments. The connectivities include a DVI port, an HDMI 2.0, a DisplayPort 1.2 and they are all positioned around the back and are facing outward. However, I think that Acer could have implemented USB ports, but either way you will be fine without them. Now let's talk about its features. The XG270HU uses a TN panel that delivers a WQHD picture or 2560 by 1440 in terms of pixels with a response time of 1 millisecond, making it a real beast when it comes to gaming. The panel itself also has an anti-glare coating for minimizing the reflections as much as possible, so you can play for a longer period of times without dealing with reflections which can distract you from your gameplay. Gamers are going to be really satisfied with this monitor due to the AMD's FreeSync technology, which is known for putting an end to the screen tearings and make your overall gameplay more convenient and smooth. In addition, gamers can take an advantage of the 4 included low blue light settings, which will prevent getting an eye strain and let you play for hours without feeling tired. The color representation is really accurate, even though this model has a TN panel, so if you ever want to make them look even better, you can take an advantage of the 6-axis color settings for aligning them. Overall, you should definitely take this monitor into consideration if you are tight on a budget but you want to have a FreeSync monitor with huge potential. Moving on, at number 4 we have the AOC Agon AG251FZ. The Agon AG251FZ is a 25-inch FreeSync compatible monitor with an impressive refresh and response time that will drastically improve your gaming experience without paying a large amount of money. From a design perspective, this monitor features a black and silver design that is accompanied by matte black bezels finished with a plastic, defined edges and straight lines. The cabinet is supported by a fully adjustable metal arrow-shaped stand finished in matte silver. The stand will let you make height adjustments of up to 130mm along with 20 degrees of swivel to each side, tilt from 21 degrees to 3.5 degrees forward and pivot for finding your ideal viewing position. There are plenty of connectivity options included, such as 4 USB 3.0 ports, a VGA, DVI, DisplayPort 1.2, 3.5mm headphone out, mic input to HDMI 2.0 and built-in 2-watt speakers. Now let's talk about the performance. This monitor uses a TNW LED backlit panel which covers up to 93% of the sRGB color gamut and has a refresh rate of 240Hz with a response time of 1 millisecond for effectively capturing even the most dynamic gaming moments. There are plenty of gaming-centric features included, such as the shadow control technology, which makes the dark surroundings brighter so you can easily see your hidden enemies and respond to them really quickly. The AMD FreeSync technology will eliminate the occurrences of screen tearing and lag, so your gaming experience will be better and more enjoyable. But that's not all. There is the optional AOC low input lag mode, which is really worthy due to the fact that it ensures additionally that you can play your favorite games without any delays. You can also take an advantage of the OSD menu for adjusting the colors, brightness, as well as the low blue light modes for minimizing the chances of dealing with an eye strain. To conclude, if you're looking for an affordable monitor that uses the FreeSync technology and has a refresh rate of 240Hz, then the Agon AG251FZ would be a great choice for you. Moving on, at number 3 we have the LG27UD68W. This is a gorgeous 4K monitor, which is ideally good for both gamers and professional designers that are searching for stunning visuals. From a design perspective, this model comes in a white color and features an anti-reflective coated IPS panel which minimizes the reflections of light on one side and offers you consistent visual representation even if you view it from wide angles. The connectivities include a 3.5mm headphone jack, one DisplayPort, two HDMI 2.0 ports, and a Kensington lock. But unfortunately, there aren't any USB ports, which is a bit strange for such a monitor. This model comes with a detachable sleek stand that has an arched line design for ensuring more stability, but it lacks a bit of flexibility. Now, let's talk about the features. The 27UD68W has a 4K Ultra HD resolution with a refresh rate of 60Hz and a response time of 5 milliseconds, so gamers and designers are going to be really satisfied with that. What I really love the most about this monitor is the capability of covering up to 99% of the sRGB while having a 10-bit color depth. This means that there are 8.3 million pixels more than an ordinary HD monitor, so regardless if you're doing your ordinary work or playing games, the visuals are indeed jaw-dropping. The FreeSync technology is surely a great addition, since it boosts up your gaming experience and it synchronizes with the game at high rates without the disturbing tearings. It has plenty of gaming features, such as the black stabilizer, which enhances the detail's clarity in dark scenes for letting you see the enemies that are lurking in the shadows, and the dynamic action sync technology for increasing your gaming experience even more because it adds a high level of fluidness and smoothness so you can enjoy every minute spent while gaming. Moving on, at number 2 we have the Asus ROG Strix XG35VQ. The Strix XG35VQ is a 35-inch curved ultra-wide monitor which combines a refresh rate of 100Hz and a FreeSync technology for satisfying even the most demanding gamers. From a design perspective, this model features a matte black cabinet with a 1800R curvature and a screen that is free from bezels on 3 sides, making it ideal for dual or triple monitor setups. There are plenty of connectivities included, such as one HDMI 2.0 port, an HDMI 1.4, a DisplayPort 1.2, one USB 3.0 upstream port, and a headphone jack. The helix-shaped stand is made of aluminum, so the durability and reliability are guaranteed from the very beginning. You can do height adjustments up to 100mm, tilt from -5 to 20 degrees, and swivel it from -50 to 50 degrees, which is great. In addition, this monitor is VESA compatible, so you can mount it on your wall and save some space. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Strix uses a VA panel which delivers a resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels, 100 Hz of refresh rate, 2500 to 1 contrast ratio, and 4 milliseconds of response time. You don't have to worry about the reflections, since the display itself has a non-glare coating, so you can play your favorite games more conveniently. What I really like about this monitor is 100% coverage of the sRGB, which means that every single detail shown will look incredibly realistic. This model also uses the Game Plus technology, which includes 4 gaming modes such as a crosshair, timer, FPS counter, and display alignment, which ensure that your gameplay will never be the same anymore. To conclude, you should seriously consider this monitor, and if you ever decide to purchase it, the Strix will ensure that you will have the most enjoyable and immersive gaming moments ever. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Acer XR382CQK. This is the monitor from your dreams, due to the fact that it has everything needed for increasing your gaming experience like no other monitor could do so. From a design perspective, this 38-inch ultra-wide curved monitor features a black bezel-free cabinet that is supported by a metal V-shaped stand which lets you make height, tilt, and swivel adjustments. You can quickly notice the thin bezel design, which is a really good addition to the overall design since it makes your view more enjoyable. The connectivities consist of 5 USB 3.1 ports, 1 HDMI in, a headphone jack, 1 DisplayPort, and an MHL port for connecting it to your smartphone or tablet. Now, let's talk about the features. The curved IPS display has an ultra-wide QHD resolution with a refresh rate of 75Hz and a response time of 5 milliseconds while covering up to 100% of the sRGB color gamut, which means that the visuals are extraordinary. There are 3 gaming presets such as action, sports, and racing, of which you can take an advantage for enhancing your gameplay. But there are also plenty of modes which will significantly improve the graphics you're viewing. The AMD FreeSync is there to ensure that you will have a smooth and tear-free gaming, so you shouldn't worry about anything. Acer has also included the flickerless and blue light filtering technology, so you can say goodbye to the frustrating flickers and blue lights that are known for causing discomfort. I want to mention that when it comes to the sound quality, thanks to the built-in 7-watt speakers, you can hear a loud and clear sound that has a good amount of bass response. This isn't really common with monitors, but if you ever feel that you want a better sound, you can always take an advantage of your external ones. This monitor will also improve your multitasking capabilities because it is equipped with a PIP function which lets you view content side by side. Overall, the Acer would be your ideal option if you want to have your gaming and visual experience elevated to a whole new level. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these monitors, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.